What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know people, I've been covering news stories for a good time now, my people. No joke about it. And at times being my viewers and subscribers, when I do cover some gruesome incidents and some gruesome acts, my people, I will come forward and I will definitely tell you, say, yo, John, my people, you know, so the video, this, the terrible scene, and this and that and that. Well, my viewers and subscribers, I have covered story across the regions, you understand, around the world, you get me, and some really gruesome, something women even can showcase video on YouTube and this and that, my people, but only talk about them because two of them stay. See? But you see, in a Jamaica, people, since recently, I've been getting some videos, my people. I may tell you this, I know nothing normal. You understand? I have seen the what I cover a story where head in a bag, this and that go on, my viewers and subscribers, some terrible thing. So now, my people, I'm gonna tell you this now. A video was sent to the attacking boss, my viewers and subscribers, where them say took place up in a M0VE, Portland, my people. And I can tell you this, my people. I have seen videos out of your people, you know what I mean? Man finished, man gone. But to see a video, people, where a man still alive out of Jamaica, my people, and to tell you, when you look and you see some trap hole upon him people and you're looking at him back, and you see how the meat pluck out and you see something in there jump like the heart in him back. It's like the chap reaching him back to him heart in a people. Me I tell you, and you see something jumps on my people. And the man did it and he have one pan his hand, my viewers and subscribers, and they might try to touch the hand. Zine, but only Jah sees and knows. Well, this video is going around viral. Big up yourself, Roaster. Don't know the thing. It's going around viral. A lot of people seeing this video. A lot of people talking about it. You understand? And say, yo, John know them. Deal with this thief. You're wicked because he's a thief and he's a gunman in one. So where you know the attacking boss? Because say, serve him right. Jaja sees, Jaja knows NEWLINK. Well, let me just go into some heads up, people. I have a little article here. I go into some heads up to really go on with this video because a lot of people may see the video but they don't know the full details behind this video. So let me just go to a quick update pertaining to this crook, to this thief, to this gunman, and how that get for reaching people. And when I say serve him right, I think it's the best punishment or anything no one could ever get, people. Zine? Yeah, man, even if him drop out people in 6 points square, whatever, 3 points, anything, when you have a could 100 people, at least in feel it pain. You understand? Him feel it, man, before he do drop out people. Yeah, man, he feel it. So even if he manage to live people, he will remember every pain and every trap when he get. Yes, as some believe in it. Roaster, big up yourself. I tell you already, you're still there with it. That's how you say me take care of the job from sure. Alright, let me just get into this, people, and just make on a year while going with this. Incident at Hart Hill, M0VE, Portland. Complainant, Mr. Lorenzo Burgess, Lot 33 Hall District, Portland. From information, complainant and his son returned home and turned on the light. 2 men, one of whom was armed with a firearm. The gunman fired 1 shot. However, it did not hit the complainant. The complainant had a machete in his possession and immediately chopped at the gunman, who eventually dropped the firearm and ran. The accompanied who was in a tussle. You understand, my people? And the accompanied who in the tussle now, people, this is what reached him pertaining to the video. So the video wanna see now, people, You understand? Alright, a lot of people are going to DM me NEWLINK who don't have the video, who don't see the video. Let me see the video, please, NEWLINK. And them are going to follow the IG. So check below in the description for the link to the IG. DM me, and you don't know the part. They go attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, on a real level, you see how them something a steer, you see how them something a turn, and based on the information that I'm also receiving, people, this same thing, basically they are not from upper Portland, you know, people. Them no come from Portland, them no live at Portland, my people. But basically, them come from Kingston to me. I hear people, I don't know if they get the info, but this is something where they must plan out, people. This is not something where them just come up to Mr. Burgess' place and decide, say, no, we are go for Mr. Burgess, we are going to rob Mr. Burgess, we are going to kill. No, this is something they plan out. They get a contract, they get a word, people, and them decide, so them are going to take out Mr. Burgess, people. But in the end, people, Mr. Burgess never have a firearm in his position, but Mr. Burgess have a machete so close by me, people. Zine, and he now go hitch, he now go play, I come like Mr. Burgess, no off a trap. Zine, it seem like Mr. Burgess the man we about to cow and goat and donkey everything all the while, my people. But see there, this is the end result, my people. Me say, when me look on the same thing I grown, people, honestly, you see the same thing, you know, here well, like in just doing here too, you know. So it's like say him get a cut, people, or him a go get the rest of money. So him plan say, you know what, tomorrow me a go floss and braff. So after me mash up the work and lick out the boy Burgess now, you know what I go do? Me a go braff for me a go all look a villa, go chill out, me a catch them or something people. But see it ya, you go chill out somewhere, man. It's either you go chill on ice or you go chill in the hospital bed. Because me can't tell these people. He will do make it, you know, but doctor have a lot of patching up for do. Yeah, man, then doctor they have a lot of needle and thread and they work there go do and patch up something thing. Maybe them have to try if they cut off some flesh off in back part around there so people and try to fit in back there flesh there, because I mean I think them the flesh the way where the elastic take out can find back and put back in there. So me say sit in at the back of jump, so people like when you see you know what I mean, you just jump to Jum. When we look on it, my stomach chunks telling the people if you look on it, you know, me can't see it, man. But all me can tell of viewers and subscribers, this me think say is the best punishment, because Mr. Burgess this comes a boom with a pipe and comes a boom game 2 knock. Him just gone. You know what I mean? Maybe feel couple seconds of pain and gone. But in the end now, people, him dip on the ground, nobody not check feet. Only thing them check for is for video at people. Yes, you understand. And some people are going to say, boy, your wickedness. You know what I mean? They should take him up and carry him to hospital instead of video. But think about it. In come fire a shot at Mr. Burgess. That shot could have hit Mr. Burgess in the head or hit Mr. Burgess' son and take out Mr. Burgess in. But instead, what happened? The table turned. So in the end, you can't serve for something like that. A man who decide to come and take a man 3 points. The sad part about these criminals, people, when they do get work, they don't know nothing about the background job, nothing about the person who give them work, why they want to get this person out. The person can't tell them anything when I go so, but then they say, all right, boom, you get me money, your man will match the works. That's it. Take out the 3 points so easy. So how can you serve for people like them? A wicked people, my man. Zine, so you say whatever Mr. Burgess do, as me tell you again, my people, serve it right. Attack them NEWLINK straight up. Nah go around the corner, nah beat around the bushes, my viewers and subscribers. Serve it right. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But the people, you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. They're just more loving of people and more respect, and just stay blessed and just stay safe. You understand? And you don't know, fully attack. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and please check below in the description for all the links, my people. And remember, if you want to make a contribution to our channel, please do. We have a PayPal link below, and also you can become a NEWLINK patron by following the link below also. Thank you so much for your love and for your support. You don't know it's the attacking boss, and I mean say attack